In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth and creative opening where liquid-like shapes spread across the screen and reveal your video in a fluid motion. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the effect feels natural as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find Liquid Spread, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, you'll see fluid shapes spreading across the screen, gradually revealing the video underneath in a smooth and organic way. Use the duration slider to control how fast the liquid spreads. Shorter duration makes the movement quicker and more dynamic. Longer duration slows it down, creating a calm and cinematic reveal. Preview the animation and adjust the timing until the flow feels right for your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a liquid spread reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.